Hi, Miss Harris. I just thought I would share this because it's something our team does and it might be helpful. If you don't want kids or you're worried about them going straight to your classroom for counseling, you can always go underneath counseling, like whatever your classroom is, and you can create sessions. So like, as an example, I mean, I have a ton of classes, but I don't have your class on here, but let's say it's social studies. It doesn't matter what class I do it in, it really doesn't. I would just go to digital sessions, and then I would go to create, and I could call it like counseling 4th grade, and then I could choose if I want it to be a lesson, a small group, or review, probably lesson. And then you can share it with every teacher in 4th grade. So you would put like my name. My name probably won't come up because I am me. You can put all the 4th grade teachers, and they should show up. So like there's Stuart, and you would click it, and then you could keep doing that for each 4th grade teacher. And then you would hit save when you're done adding all of us, and then you would hit publish. And once you do that, once you hit save, it creates these little tabs at the top, and you could literally add in your resources that you're going to use for the counseling lesson. And then you could even add assignments for kids if there's something you want them to do that's related to the lesson. And when you're ready for it to go live, you just hit publish. The way that we would find it then, you would just email us and say you shared the lesson with us, is we would go to browse sessions and we would look for what you shared with us. So like, these are all the things that have been shared with me. So I would go over and I'd look for your name, of course, if you created it, but I created that one. And it should be underneath the shared, with that name, counseling 4th grade. Like there's the one I just created. And other people can come in here to your lesson and they can copy it to their own classrooms for their kids. And it takes the assignment, it takes any resources with it. It just literally copies it so that everyone has access. So I don't know if that's something you'd want to do in the future for your counseling lessons or if you'd rather them just come to your class, but that is an option.